Hi everyone, welcome to my Easter 2025 house tour. Come on in. Hey everyone, thanks so much for stopping by today. So today we're going to be doing a little Easter tour of what I did this year for 2025. Now, if you know me, I'm usually over the top maximalist when it comes to holiday and seasonal decorating. But I've changed it up a lot this year. I've pared down this whole Easter decor thing that I did, and it's not because I'm getting older, and it's not because I'm old, and it's not because I'm getting tired. It's just another side of my creativity. We can't always do the same thing all the time, and for those of you that know me, you know that I use a lot of the things that I have over and over. Now, I don't have that much stuff for Easter. In fact, a lot of the stuff I have is kind of more on the whimsical side, and I dare I say a little bit babyish. So I'm definitely moving out of that style of decorating and much more into a more curated look in the house. And I really don't want to disrupt it with a lot of stuff that I would normally do. Now, some of the things that I've done, which you'll see in the tour, you might think they're a little bit over the top. For example, in the dining room or over the stove in the kitchen. But the rest of it is really, really, really pared down. I tried to go with a much more elegant, simplistic kind of a look. Now, you will notice a recurring theme. Of course, I always have to have a story. It's the teacher in me. I always have to have a story, and the story this year is eggs. And you might see nothing in a room, but you might find one egg in there. And it's just a little thing that I did for myself to hark back to the days of going on an Easter egg hunt in my house. My mother and father would hide the eggs for us to go and hunt down. So there are little eggs here and there, and we'll see if you can catch them. Okay, so this is all set to music. I'm not going to talk through it. I do hope you enjoy it, and I might do it again talking, but this one is music. All right, sit back and enjoy. Bye.